Steve here, Shen RC. I got the Hornet here. And I also have my Fast Attack. On the live video I did on my Hornet, I swapped out the standard stock Tamiya silver can motor. And I put in a Wltoys 12428 motor. And I believe that's a 17 or an 18 turn. It's a cheap motor, Wltoys. But I put it in there. And now what I have to do is I'm going to do a speed test run. I'm going to use a 2S LiPo. And I'm going to use a 6-cell NIM pack. And I'm going to GPS it. But I got a switch right now. I'm going to put these tires on for the street. For my Fast Attack. I'm going to put them on the Hornet. And let's get to that. And then we'll get to the speed GPS run. Alright. Let's get these tires off this Fast Attack here. I gotta put them on the Hornet now. Because those knobby tires will just wear right out on the cement or tar on the Hornet. I'm wondering how fast it'll be with that motor. I'm going to take a guess. I have a feeling NIM pack is going to be 20 miles an hour. And the 2S LiPo is going to be 21 miles an hour. But I could be way off, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. We'll see soon. Yeah, these ain't good for on-road, that's for sure. These are a lot better. So that's why I'm putting them on here. There's the wrong nut. There's the one. This Hornet's probably going to be crazy off-road now. Out of control. Oh. Looks like she's almost ready. There you go. I'm going to put the body on. The batteries are almost done charging. And then we'll go to the drag strip. My LiPo pack's ready. There it is. I got the bat safe here. Best thing you could get for your LiPos. That's ready. I got the car here. Looks like a beauty with the black wheels on it. Let me shut this off here. Alright, let's go to the drag strip. Let me shut one of these lights off really quick. See how this sucker does. It's windy as hell out today, and I got this wind slayer on the GoPro, so we'll see how that works. I'm just gonna walk with this beauty down to the spot I go. Drag strip. Whew, it got cold. It's like 40 something right now. See how fast this sucker goes. Hooey, it's really cold. I just put the regular grasshopper bottom on for my grasshopper because I didn't want to be bothered with the clip and stuff I have that holds the bottom of this plate in, because we're not bashing anyway, we're just giving it a drag strip run so it'd be easier to change out the battery packs. Oh man, is it cold. Should have freaking put a coat on. I didn't think it was this bad. Whoa. Look at the flag up there. It's windy as a beauty. Hope this wind slayer's working. We're gonna get ready for the GPS speed run of this beauty. Whew. We're almost there, guys. This spot should be good. Right down here, behind the school. I'm gonna go in the sun because it's cold in the shade. See how the hell this thing goes. See if my upgrade motor is worth it. The Wltoys special. This should be a good spot right here, I guess. Whew, it's cold as hell. Winter's coming. Alright guys, I'm gonna hook the GPS on and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I have the GPS meter on here. This is the 6-cell NIM pack. Let's give it a go and see what she maxes out at. Here we go. Keep it in a straight line, that is. And go from down here. Should be good enough. Oh, I hit that bump. She went flying. That should be good enough. Whoa. Almost slipped out and flipped it. Don't want to flip this beauty. Let's see what we got here. You see that? 23.8 miles an hour. I repeat, 23.8 miles an hour on an Impact 6L. Let's try the LiPo. I'll put it in and we'll do the same test. Man, the control here. Oh no! Redo. Okay, we're ready to test again with the 2S LiPo. Let's hit it. Holy, almost crushed it again. This thing's out of control. It's hard to keep in a straight line. Whew, almost lost it. I'm just gonna let it roll to a nice slow stop. No, 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 no. That should be good enough. I don't know why it's so squirrely. There we have it. The other one was with the NIM pack was 23.4 or 8, I forgot. 2S LiPo, 26.3 miles an hour. That's pretty damn fast. With this cheap Wltoys motor. So I guess the upgrade was worth it. I'm gonna have to put the radio link radio hooked up in here with that gyro system to keep this thing straight, because it's gonna be a hell of a ride. I'm gonna just floor it one more time and see if I can beat this 26.3 real quick here. Let's get to the nice startup position. It's hard to keep this thing straight. Oh my God. Oh, I thought I lost it. Now I'm in the grass. There we go. Alright, that should be good. I'll let that coast. Bring it back. See what we got. .3. So that's the top speed on a 2S LiPo. There you have it, guys. Right there, the Hornet with the Wltoys 12428 motor. It's a cheap motor. Like I said, I think it's a 17 or 18 turn. Really made the Hornet light up. Now I'm gonna have a handful of a time running this beauty off-road. I'm gonna have to put the radio link radio with that gyro in it for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about the motor, and hit that bell for future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Just a little extra footage for you guys. You see, guys, this is why I don't like making these hopper cars too fast. I slid out, hit the curve, and look what happened. Okay, guys, I'm back on the workbench. This is what happens when you put a fast motor in a hopper type car. They really weren't meant for it, as you could see. I'll tell you what happened. I was walking on the way home up the hill, and I was driving, and I came down the hill, and it got out of control and slid out a little bit. It tumbled, and it barely scraped the curb, and I went to look at it, and the whole thing was ripped off the rear end like this. I'm sure I could pop it back in here, but that's what happens when you use these fast motors in these classic cars. They really ain't meant for it. I'm going to leave it in though, and I'm going to get one of them radio link receivers with a gyro to help keep it straight. It'll be better. Anyhow, guys, take caution about these fast motors and these old beauties. They cause lots of destruction. See you next time, guys.